Health and fitness tips for summer. It's summer and the temperatures are rising. That means fun in the sun, extra light in the evenings, cookouts, and other seasonal activities. As you enjoy your summer, though, it's a good idea to keep health and fitness in mind. Along with the seasonal fun, there are specific health concerns that belong to summer, such as sunburn. There are also fitness activities you can do in summer that you can't do at other times of the year. So to help you enjoy your summer and keep it healthy and safe, here are some health and fitness tips for the season. Sunshine. It's certainly true that there are healthful benefits to getting some sunlight exposure. Your body needs the sun to make vitamin D, and to get adequate levels you need to be exposed for at least 15 minutes without sunscreen. However, sunscreen is very important to avoid burns and skin damage. So, a healthy compromise could be to put your sunscreen on after you've been outside for 15 minutes or so. Produce. Summer is the time for fresh garden produce. These healthful foods are said to be most nutritious when they are in season, so stock up at your local farmer's market. You also might consider freezing or preserving some of summer's bounty. It's a great boost to your health to load up on fresh produce. After all, fruits and vegetables are implicated in everything from cancer prevention to a healthy heart. Get active. Now is a wonderful time to get into physical activities like hiking, biking, swimming, and pretty much any outdoor game or sport. Keeping fit is more important these days than ever, with more and more opportunities arising to sit in front of a screen. Take advantage of summer's warm temperatures and evening light to get out and get physically active. Heat. Another health and safety tip that bears mentioning is heat. Depending on your location, summer can get dangerously hot. Be aware of the signs of heat stroke. Copious or increased sweating, paleness, loss of color in the face, headache, feelings of dizziness, lightheadedness, or feeling faint, nausea or vomiting, muscle cramps. Always get to an air-conditioned room or car as soon as possible if any of these symptoms are present. When you are outside, have access to shade so that you don't get overheated. Hydration. In the summer, you'll need to have a drink of water handy much more often than in the cooler months. In fact, it's a good idea to take water along when you are doing anything in the summer, from running errands to hiking. Staying hydrated helps ward off heat exhaustion and keeps your body in balance.